Hey folks, it's Dan. Dan is your tech guy looking at the tech review of drones today. The A10 Staptain. We have a mini drone. This is a nice little drone. It says it's a beginner drone. I disagree. I'll tell you why here in just a minute. This is a really highly featured drone. Very inexpensive. I always buy the warranties though, in case I crash it too many times. Amazon, if you buy it there, has some great deals on extended warranties. This thing takes HD pictures in 720p. It's got FPV functions, so it can connect to your phone. You can watch the videos as it's flying. You can record to your phone. It has voice and gesture control. You can tell it to take off, land, go forward, left or right. It also lets you take a gesture to take a video or photo, so that's kind of cool. You can throw it up in the air and it'll take up from there. That's kind of cool. Does flips, circle fly, does a high-speed rotation, which is kind of neat to look at. I don't know what the function is for that, but you can also, like on a more expensive one, you can draw a path on your app interface, and the drone will follow that path. Pretty easy to use. Has gravity sensor mode, so it'll follow your phone like a follow me thing. It's got good altitude hold. Headless mode, so you can fly in any direction. Like I said, you can throw it up in the air. Got an emergency stop, and it's also got 3 speeds. This thing will go very, very quickly. That's why I say it's not a beginner drone, as in, I heard somebody say they bought this for their 4-year-old grandkid. I would be surprised if a 4-year-old could fly it, but if more power to them if they can. Man, this thing it flies fairly easy. Once you get it tuned up with the little tuning keys, it will hover and hold altitude pretty nicely without a wind, but the slightest winds. This is a super mini drone about the size of your hand, and that wind will take it away from you, and you will lose that forever. If you're up about 20-30 meters and man, that thing and a wind hits it, you're never seeing that thing again. I've been flying it around this parking lot at about 3 or 4 meters, and it flies great. Once it gets in the wind though, a lot of things happen. You get a little connectivity problems, some things like that. I found that the connectivity wasn't the best in this drone as compared to other drones. However, super highly featured, very low price. It's a great beginner drone. It is not a toy though. It's, I would say, not for kids. Learn how to do that, man. Them propellers spin fast, can take out an eye. They can cut you, get caught in your hair. I would say learn on a more expensive drone that has GPS and come back to that. Speaking of that, guys, a GPS drone, we just got a couple new ones that are coming in. One of them from Staptain. We're going to be looking at that 700 in the next video. It is a pretty cool video, a pretty cool drone, and it is easy to fly. This is the A10. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, press that helpful button below. Have a great day.